Buyuk Han in Nicosia, Cyprus. Buyuk Han is the largest caravansarai on the island of Cyprus and is considered to be one of the finest buildings on the island. Located in the capital of Cyprus, it was built by the Ottomans in 1572, the year after they had seized Cyprus from the Venetians. In the center of the open courtyard is a mosque with a fountain for pre-prayer ablutions. It became the first city prison under British administration. After spending most of the 1990s being restored, the inn has been revived as a thriving arts center, consisting of several galleries and workshops. There are also several courtyard cafes and souvenir shops. One of the most important architectural works of the Ottoman period, the Büyük Han, the Great Inn, is located in the traditional market center within the city walls. The Han, which was built to provide accommodation for travelers from Anatolia and other parts of Cyprus, was originally named Alanyalilar Han. Later, when a new inn, the Kumarcilar Han, Gamblers' Inn, was built nearby in the 17th century, as a result of the comparison made by the public between the two Hans, it was referred to as the Büyük Han, Big Inn or Great Inn. The Han is similar to all the other Hans which can be found in the city centers of various Anatolian cities, although the Büyük Han is unusual in having two entrances. It is worth noting, however, that there is a especially strong resemblance between the Büyük Han and the Koza, Cacoon, Han in Bursa, Turkey, which was built around 1490. Externally, the Han resembles a fortress. Indeed, during the old colonial days, the British used the Han as Nicosia's central prison. The windows of Hans were always high up, partially to deter marauders who saw the rich merchants staying at the Han as a sources of easy riches, and partially because glass was very expensive. The square-planned, two-story Büyük Han consists of 68 rooms which open to the vaulted galleries surrounding a square-planned inner courtyard and 10 shops which open to the outside of the Han. An Ottoman masjid stands on marble piers, with a fountain beneath it in the center of the courtyard. The Büyük Han has two entrances, east and west. The rooms on the ground floor each have a low arched door, an arched window and a hearth. These rooms were originally used as shops, storerooms, and offices. At the east side of the Han, to the left of the entrance there is a groin vaulted gallery, and to the right, a barrel vaulted one. Two symmetrical stone stairways at the northwest and southeast corners of the courtyard lead to the upper floor. Here the rooms, which were originally the bedrooms of the Han, have low arched doors with machicolations on top. There are also windows facing the outside of the Han with loopholes above, hearths with octagonal chimneys, and niches. The room which falls on top of the main entrance is larger than the rest, and its door, when opened, extends all the way to the gallery. Layers of hewn stone form the outer and inner walls of the Han. On the walls there are stone rain spouts. The building is supported by two buttresses on each of the four corners. On top of the barrel vaulted roof there are hexagonal chimneys with wedge-shaped covers indicating the hearths. From 1893 to 1961, the Han was used as a hostel for destitute families. Restoration began in 1963. The south colonnade was completely demolished and the southwest corner rebuilt without any regard to the style of the original. After the events of 1963, restoration was halted for a number of years. However, after extensive renovations which took 10 years, the Han was reopened in its original style to visitors in 2002, and is now one of the island's finest buildings. Beside the locals, Büyük Han plays host to many tourists in Nicosia. Not only the cafes, but also various shops serve the visitors. Shawls, traditional handicrafts, paintings, pottery, and carvings are among the many things on offer. There are many social activities at Büyük Han, either in daytime or at night. You can sip homemade wine while listening to live music. You can listen to classical music within a concert in an authentic atmosphere, or even participate in a traditional wedding ceremony. There are folklore dance shows, piano recitals, drama shows and many others within the walls. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.